Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go, Uncle.
Shattered nerves.
Shattered nerve. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very good cream. I'm surprised. Yeah. Ooh. The girls did a good job, right? Ooh.
Well done.
But you must put this on your menu.
Your blocks. See?
I'll try.
Yeah. That's it. And you can mix these 2, 3. Okay, sugar, oats, and butter. That's how you like to say butter, don't you? Butter. And it all mixed together. Yeah, you can mix all together, yeah? Sugar, oats. Jeff's, she needs gloves to touch a crumble. Oh, you found it. Ah.
There you go. Do you sell that as well, yeah?
I make a crumbled Dennis, like on a pastry to apples and it crumbled on top. Yeah, it's very nice. So now you just need to like crumble all the pieces. See? Interesting.
Two
See?
apprentices there.
See? It's very beautiful, huh? The apples.
Yeah. Is it better to use a mix of red and green?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of sweetness on that one. And yeah.
I like green apples more
Yeah.
because I like them. Which one are sweeter? The red ones are sweeter and the
Yeah.
green ones are sour. So
Yeah,
I like
the
sour.
cookie one. Oh, do you?
Yes.
Now, go for it.
Go.
I thought you were going to be better at this. More. Well, I said, but I thought you were going to like this. I mean,
Yeah, you do like this. You like slime and
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I only
I
like
thought-
slime, not Play-Doh.
Oh.
Play-Doh gets stuck on me.
Oh, not slime.
Mm.
Slime doesn't. You can like take it off after.
That one is funny. Go on. This big one. You don't want to do it?
No, I do, but it just feels weird because the
Oh.
oats.
Interesting.
don't know how to do this.
What are you doing? Like this, like this.
Like this. See? Like this.
Like just your hand.
Like it's
Yeah.
You should do it.
You do one hand, look. That's it.
One hand.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
that.
like that. See? You see the crumble. That's what you want to see. Do you want to cut the knife? You cut the apples? I don't think.
I know how to cut.
No.
I do, Mom.
I do. I mean, I know you do, but it's very sharp now.
Now we're going to have nice crumble. You need to make until little thin crumble.
Come on, Lexi, you can do it.
Interesting.
Doing this.
Interesting that you don't like that. Lilia, my daughter, she loves it.
Yeah.
I don't like.
Mhm.
No,
Mm.
yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
Where's Lily? Is there?
Yeah. Go like this.
Yeah, like that. There we go.
Yes, like that.
Mix all the way dipping down
Put both
on
your
the
hands
bottom.
in like this.
The force is more of your hand, not the whole body.
Yes, with your fingertips.
Yeah,
You
just
go
like, yeah.
this.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dip it in like that.
And scoop all underneath.
Like that. You see? Like that. Yes,
I'm
you see the
not a
crumb?
baker.
You do bake. You don't have grandma making the lettuce and stuff.
I do know how to do like roll dough and stuff.
How you
but I
learn
don't know
is how you
to-
learn. You do it.
This is so weird.
So weird.
So weird.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
We'll be there now fishing.
We actually got caught in there.
Mm.
Pulled back.
I know. I thought about you when I was cooking.
Were you
Yeah.
walking?
No, we were just sitting there waiting for the fish.
No, were you walking to?
Ah, we didn't walk. No, we drive.
Did you catch any fish?
No.
Next time.
It's a plain way to say it.
My dad and me went fishing once, and then I wanted to stay there, but Mila was like, "Oh, there's no seas and stuff. Let's go."
Yeah, the sea was like coming. Yeah, I'm with Mina.
Oh, well, I'd love to stay.
We'll
there.
go again. I'm sure we'll catch
Yeah.
it. You know, you never win the first try.
Like fishing takes time. You got to sit there for a
Uh-huh.
while and Louis because of you.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Oh gosh. Whatever. Even there's some apple spelling.
So we'll put a little bit of water in here. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit.
No, I could do that.
Oh, just pour the water.
All of it.
No,
No,
a little bit of
just a
water.
little bit.
He'll tell you when to stop. Leo will tell you when to
It's
stop.
running.
You don't do it.
You're scared to make a mistake. You gotta make a
Yes,
mistake.
I always do mistakes. Like I always put too much.
That's it.
That's it?
Now,
I always put too much.
a little bit of cinnamon. You can put a little bit of cinnamon. Is that cinnamon here?
Yes.
I should know that. You should do this. No.
Let's see, look
A little bit, a bit more. Closer. No, a bit less. I mean, a bit less. Sorry. Yeah, that's
Oh, that's really too strong.
That's it.
Okay.
Now
I
a
won't
little
take
bit
a
of
photo of
sugar.
that.
A little bit of sugar. Full. More. There we go. A bit more. So now we can mix together. Just like that. Any mix works. As long as you mix.
Oh!
You're lazy. You're so bossy.
That's how I am.
That's how I am. I wonder who really picked that one up. Isn't that? Cool. So now we can take to the oven and cook a little bit. Once they're cooked, we'll put them in here. And what we do next?
We put the
Crumble on
crumble
top.
on
On
top.
top.
Then we put it on top.
And then we put it in the oven again.
And
And we have the dinner.
eat.
And then after dinner, what we do?
Eat it.
That's the best bit. So now it's cooked and cooled down. What we're gonna do? We're gonna add on here, right? And then
So
we'll
much lift up your arm.
let's find that one. We can put this in there. Do you wanna do it?
No, that you see.
No, that's it.
I don't.
Let it do it. Let's show you then. Just pour. That's it.
Okay?
Oh!
Yeah.
I can't get it.
You can do it.
That's it. Will you have to Mila to do it? Or Mila can do the crumble. Mila, could you pass the crumble in the fridge, please? That one. That one. The bigger. This one. Yeah. You don't want to do it. You done already the most of it. Yeah.
I'm scared.
No, I'm a bit scared.
There's chunks. Ooh.
It's fine.
Eat it.
Okay, wait.
Oh my. You see? Okay.
It's okay. So now what we can do is just try to level up.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. Can I level up? I mean I can level up to like nice,
What do you...
like
Just make it flat.
make it flat and nice and straight.
There's leftover there.
So this can save it, put it in the freezer.
Well, we say that for muffins.
Yeah. Crumble on top.
And there's also apple.
Huh?
There's also apple.
Yeah, apple as well. That's it. Dessert is done. Now we're gonna put it in the oven and it'll be ready.
Look at that, it's easy.
Easy peasy. Easy dessert.
Yeah.
We got ice cream as well, don't we? Yes.
Yeah, I'll put it in the freezer.
It.
Ready.
Still really hot. So
wait,
I think grown-ups gonna have to serve. Do you wanna
What is
dig?
this?
I think yeah, Mila can dig a bit. Do you wanna serve?
I was gonna say, do you want to use
Yeah. Oh, it's a bigger one. It's a
Yeah,
proper
scoop it.
portion. Mila, you wanna just give a cut, like any cut, doesn't matter.
Yes, you can do it.
Yeah,
For the grown-ups.
much.
just a little bit, just a little bit. So you get the apple. Don't be scared.
Don't touch the ball.
There's no right and wrong. It's just a
Touch
serve.
the ball.
Yes, as long as I don't touch the ball.
Who's this for?
Doesn't matter.
That's, for me, what I'll try it first.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. That's what you want. Right, I want to pour this fantastic cream. Who's gonna try it? You wanna try it first? You made it, so it's hot. Do you like cream?
Yeah.
Cream on top. Oh.
I'm sure you're gonna have.
Oh, yeah, but
Eh?
I'm having ice cream with it.
I just said to
It's
Leah,
too hot.
It's very hot.
the
So.
contrast.
So how is meat going to taste?
Come on.
You need to blow a little bit.
Give us your verdict.
Mm. You eat first.
No, man, it's not that hot.
Okay, she's gone back again.
The eyebrows went up.
Ooh. Okay.
You know your aunt. Oh.
Oh,
Oops.
Your aunt. I don't want now.
No?
it's okay.
You don't want now. Okay.
I mean,
Let's see if it's a similar taste to UK.
oh yeah.
That's good.
Oh. It's really good actually. Very good.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
it's nice, isn't it?
Is
Oh.
it
Let's
the
have a
same?
taste. Let's
I
have
think
a
it's
taste
better
hot
actually.
Really?
It's better.
What do you think made it better?
I don't know. Wow. Let's go, Uncle.
My shattered nerves.
Can I have the
No.
last one?
Ooh.
Yeah. This was good, eh?
Apple, I mean,
Are you
crumble.
gonna wait now?
Don't
No.
have it with ice cream.
What's this?
That'll be Dirk.
More?
No, that's good, thank you.
Can I actually have it with the cream?
Yeah. It's much better with the cream.
CA,
Uncle.
please trust me. Just have it with cream.
I'm
Well,
gonna.
put both of it. Don't just take
Take
one
some
thing.
of the crumbs.
Yeah. They
Is there no crumbs in there?
told him to serve now.
Put
No,
the ice
but
cream
wait,
away.
the whole thing.
Put the ice cream away.
I've got everything in there. Everything.
It's, oh, it's very good cream. I'm
Oh,
surprised.
we got crumble.
Yeah. Ooh.
Mm.
The girls did a good job, right? Ooh.
Well done. Mm.
You guys have. It's a good.
Oh, you're gonna go and
You do you wanna try it?
Dirk.
It's very good.
I'll have it.
Yeah.
I'll have
But
it.
you want to
You see
go.
how nice it is?
You don't need to.
Mm.
That's really good for you.
Yeah.
But is it very hot?
He doesn't. He's not going to big sweet.
No, not too hot.
Mom, this is mom.
But
Mom
for
doesn't
me,
want.
when it's like.
She knows she wants a little bit.
When for me, when it's.
Oh, she's
Yeah,
gonna.
good cream.
When it's
Yeah.
full,
No, don't give her
Yeah.
ice cream. It's
No.
much better.
Do you wanna do yours,
Yeah, okay.
Mila? Do yours, Mila.
Change my mind. I'm gonna have it now.
I knew it. I knew
We
it.
have to have this warm.
Yeah,
No,
warm
no.
is just
No,
much
it's
better.
too nice.
Even did you take to Ben? Try it warm, even though you say I don't want.
He's adamant. He wants it room temperature.
Mm.
He's gonna have some,
Mm.
but room temperature.
Can I take a bit more?
Yes.
Mm.
I don't know if
Mum
I'll be able
should say
to
that,
convince Ben or-
I'm saying yes. This is your. Okay, Lacey.
Even with cream.
Lacey.
Save yourself. Oh, it's fine. I'll hold it for you now.
Hey, we're gonna have some for tomorrow as well. Go on the
Tell me
stomach.
when.
A biscuit. My son loved the biscuit. Lila, she have just plain like that.
That crumb on top,
Nothing
was
else.
that, is that the flour and
Mm.
butter?
Oats and
Mhm.
oats.
And oats. Very good. What,
Right. And then
how,
next,
what are you gonna have with Lacey? With cream?
Oh,
You
I-
said it both.
give me a small one.
Ice
Eh?
cream.
Give me a small one.
Mm.
I say small, but yeah.
Okay, what are you going for? Uncle.
Uncle. All right, that's it. I better stop at that. Because she's.
Who's this? Who's this? Yours.
That'll be So there's.
Oh, do you want to
Dirk,
leave this
my
for
mom.
you? What- Last.
Yeah, I'll just take. Let's dish everybody up.
And then
I'll-
just who's this man again now?
That's my
Mama?
mom, so only a little bit. Thank you.
Only a little bit.
More apple in mine.
You want some more apple? Where's yours? That one.
Yes. There we go.
No. You love
Cream
apple.
is good, eh?
Are you sure it's just this for?
My mom, yeah. Yeah.
And who's this?
This will be for me.
Yeah.
I can have it. Thanks.
Well, I thought it was a lot.
No cream.
Is
It's
there
not.
going to be anything left for tomorrow?
Just
No,
leave it
I don't
out.
think so.
Who's that for?
Yours.
No, but
Well,
Thank you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Who's Benno? Let's say Benno, so he
Yeah.
is safe and sound.
Gee, we've done it.
Yeah, we've
We've
done it.
smashed it.
I mean, that's not hard to do in this house.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Where's your mom? Is your mom got?
There's a little.
Give me
Yeah, it's
cream.
finished.
Apple is
Eh?
the best.
It's pretty much finished.
Can you believe it?
Yeah, let's have a little bit.
Wow.
We've smashed it.
That's
So that's it, girls. Well done. Good job.
Just as well I ate it
Thank
today.
you.
Welcome. That was nice. It's nice.
You.
It's very nice.
I don't think